going on a walk after my mom stops abusing Jessie.
Stop it. Thank you. Oh.
Little Jessie now. Well, you guys missed it. I did a bad job as a videographer. We got on the trail and there was like 5 sections of mud that just were the whole trail. And Mom here thought she could just hopscotch her way through it, and she went down. She went down hard. Covered in mud. Thought we were going to the hospital. But the hike continues. Who says Illinois is not pretty? Me. I say it.
Is the land so beautiful?
Yeah, is that what that used to be?
I don't know if that's what it is.
Mom spread misfucking information. Yeah, that's why all the birds are out. We're feeding them. Feeding time, boys! Horses? This would be a good trail to ride them on. This would be a good trail to ride horses on. Is it allowed? If not, I'm snitching. I thought this would be a cool place to ride snowmobiles. Poop. Poop. I don't mind 1 or 2 mosquito bites. I like to itch them.
So you get infantile?
Yeah. There's always that one chance that I could get superpowers. And they can call me the Skeeter.
I think you're better off sticking your hand in my mailbox and letting the spider bite you.
No, it's a wolf spider.
Nope. Nope.
Maybe we go in the water. We just climbed a mountain up in here in Illinois. Look at those beautiful views of field. Like the rolling hills of Idaho. I need more water. Everything the light touches, Jessie, is ours. We made it to the shade. I have 0 mosquito bites. My mom looks like a pincushion. Jessie just doesn't care. She won't drink water. She turns her nose to us when we offer her assistance. She's on the hunt. Alright, that brings an end to the hike. We've made it full circle. Finally drank some water. She admitted that she was old. Fun little hike here at Glacial Conservation.
Small lake cross.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh my God. Alright, well, buckle up.
Hopefully we'll pull. What side is going to be the least
I'm not
juicy?
doing this. Right down the middle.
Oh, it's gross. We're going to.
So we opted to backtrack a little bit and just risk the ticks and walk through the tall grass to get on the road instead of going through that scum swamp. So we made it back to the car. Good hike.